Hello, this is Lewis. We're doing the final weekly update of the Gantt chart, talking about what's going on. So, coming up to here, scroll down a bit. Can I extend this? There we go. You see, the milestone was code and testing was to be completed today, and I did the majority of the code and not really much of the testing, so I'll lose some marks there, but that's okay. Overall, nothing's really happened. We got the reflection on Friday, which isn't there yet, and then we'll be fully completed with the sack. Everything will be done, 100%, all good. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Nothing really else of value. So, we'll see ya.